What if I told you there's a place where you don't have to wait 20 years for your breakthrough? Are you ready to join a group of people who actually get you? These are not massive online classes with thousands of people. These are intimate online experiences. Real people, real breakthroughs happening right now. You're not just watching, you're participating. Your voice matters. You'll be seen, heard, witnessed, respected. While others are going to be listening to a lecture about change, you're going to be doing it. Your highest self is not hiding in the future. They're waiting for you right now. Upcoming classes in July. July 6th, we have Crowning the Royalty. If a royal person was coming to your house, how frantically would you clean before their arrival? What if we greeted our own sovereign soul, our spirit guides, our highest self with that kind of care, respect, honor? July 13th, Lifting the Lover. Each human role in life has a loving aspect. The part of us that seeks to heal is often reaching out to heal others. And in this session, we're going to look at our ability to receive our full ownership of our loving nature. July 20th, Light Code Download. Join me, Cleo. I'll be channeling angels, bringing in deep transmission of light codes straight to you, upgrading our systems. There will be transmission of teachings, and it's a beautiful opportunity to really allow their ancient wisdom to soak in. My classes are special. If you want to join us for free, this is our onboarding time. It's an opportunity for you to try out these classes for free, no charge, and find out if you want to sign up for the fall and next year. If you do decide to join us, my fees are reasonable. For the price of a hamburger, you can take a class. For the amount that you would spend on a meal going out for 4 people, you can take classes with me for a whole month. Join us, won't you?